Master your Sony A1's autofocus to lock onto your subjects with unwavering precision, ensuring every shot is tack sharp. Today, we're diving deep into the powerhouse autofocus capabilities of the Sony A1, transforming your ability to capture fleeting moments. First, let's navigate to the menu. We'll be spending most of our time within the AF/MF tab. Here, you'll want to select your primary autofocus system for most situations requiring lock-on focus. Continuous AF, or AFC, is your go-to. This tells the camera to continuously adjust focus as your subject moves. Next, within AF system, we have the AF area modes for subjects that move unpredictably. Wide is excellent for general tracking. However, for more specific control, Zone allows you to designate a specific area of the frame for the camera to focus on. You can easily move this zone around the screen using your directional buttons or the touch screen. Now, let's talk tracking sensitivity. This crucial setting dictates how quickly the camera reacts to a subject leaving your chosen AF area. For subjects that are reliably within your frame, Locked-on provides the highest level of stickiness. For those who demand absolute perfection, AF micro adjustment allows you to fine-tune the focus for specific lenses, ensuring optimal sharpness. We won't go into the full calibration process today, but know it's there for advanced users. To truly master autofocus, custom button assignments are key. I highly recommend assigning AFON to a dedicated button, like the AFON button on the back of the camera, or even a custom button on the grip. This allows you to initiate autofocus and maintain focus lock with your thumb, while your index finger remains ready to take the shot. By configuring these settings, you'll be able to consistently achieve sharp focus on your subjects. No matter how dynamic the scene, experiment, find what works best for your shooting style, and unlock the full potential of your Sony A1's incredible autofocus system.